MOHBAD'S autopsy results. See what Nigerian police said about the autopsy and how netizens reacted to it. Hello guys, welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. It should be noted that autopsy on the body of the late singer MOHBAD have been carried out, and it has been confirmed by the Lagos State Police Command on Thursday. According to Nigerian police, the body of MOHBAD was exhumed on Thursday and medical professionals successfully finished the autopsy on the body that evening. Nigerians are worried about the result of the autopsy since they anticipate them shortly. It was revealed that they carried his body to loot the grounds at the pathology department, which works for the Lagos State government. Record that the Lagos State Commissioner of Police, Ido, received a direction from the Acting Inspector General of Police to Olukayode to launch a prompt and thorough inquiry into the untimely death of MOHBAD. Adejobi stated the Lagos State Commissioner of Police has received a directive from the Acting Inspector General of Police, Olukayode, asking him to launch a prompt and thorough inquiry into the untimely demise of MOHBAD. This instruction was given during a brief but significant debate that took place on Saturday, September 16, 2023 at the police air wing hangar at the Murtala Muhammed Airport in Ikeja, Lagos. After the latest news surfaced, they have concluded autopsy. A lot of Nigerians started panicking and wondering if they will provide true results. I not trust my country people. Okay, Susan wrote, make them no rig the autopsy result too, because I not trust my country people. So his head has been drilled and broken with a hammer. His body has been torn open and some of his organs removed. I am so sorry, Mom. You deserve better. Sorry, may heaven be your final resting place. The video of that autopsy is so scary. Just feeling for the poor boy. Rest in peace. This may be the first time the Nigerian authorities will be 100% transparent with public. Have faith. Omole light shines. I dey feel say they will rig the autopsy. My mind dey tell me. Then don't do the autopsy sharp. Abi they know the result already before the autopsy. I can smell rigging. May God expose anybody who won't rig the result of the autopsy. MOHBAD, over to you. Keep haunting them. In another report, Afeez Fashola, also known as Naira Marley, the proprietor of Malian record label, was accused of killing MOHBAD, which sparked suspicions. Since then, he has proclaimed his innocency and joined a call for an investigation and justice in relation to MOHBAD's estate. There has been accusations and denials from the family members. Nigerians questioned why he was interred a day after his death at Ikorodu in Lagos. But his father explained that the family adhered to Yoruba tradition. In the meantime, Nigerian teenagers have organized non-violent demonstrations across the nation to call for justice for MOHBAD. As Nigerians are still reacting to this, another person said, Omo, Nigerians, those doctors and police fit lie, say then do autopsy for him and then not do am. Here are just trying to bring peace into the country, so everyone will stop panicking about it. We no go gree o. This protest is totally different from EndSARS, so if they try anything funny, they will be guilty for that, and war will arise within. That is Nigeria for you, my guy. What was the result now? The autopsy has been carried out, okay, but we want to know what the result is. About his son, dead, they should ask the man deeply, because he was his father before the boy passed away. His father may know what is going on. They should stop hiding the devil, which is Naira Marley and Mohbad father. Hey, you can't kill what you cannot create. Justice for Mohbad. May God accept his soul. Amen. Okay, guys, this is really very shocking and very bad, too bad, that because of previous, issues like that, Nigerians do not have trust in our government. You can hear what they are saying. Are you sure they will not rig the autopsy result? I don't trust these people. And this is really very bad. Nigerians do not trust this government because they have betrayed them over and over again. No trust. You understand? They see everything they do as not real. These people, they can never come out with one genuine thing. So sad to say. So guys, let's hear from you. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you.